Welcome back to another Solve video from me, Kevin. And also I'm doing a puzzle from Kevin. Kevin Santos, a math-themed crossword #1. Oh boy, I hope this is the first of many. I think I'm going to really enjoy this one. This is a puzzle made for Kevin Santos's friends in grad school for math. Having done 1 year of graduate studies in mathematics, I think I'm going to love this one. Might require some math knowledge to appreciate some themes and the cluing. Also, they're from Canada, so it may influence certain clues. What could be more Canadian than apologizing right up front? So here we go. Let's get this going. It's going to be themed. We got some circles, circle squares. We're going to have to figure out what's going on with those. What follows November? That's got to be DEC. December, or decreasing. Daughter of Mummy and Daddy Pig. Is that Peppa? Peppa the Pig? Four-door car. Four-car door. A sedan. Video created with artificial intelligence. A deep fake. Okay. Yeah. Exoskeleton and exoplanet is the prefix there. Flick the residue off of as a cigarette. De-ashed? I don't know. Feline foot would be a paw. So ashed off or something like that. So west, north, west. We're looking for the opposite is going to be east, south, east. And so maybe that is H. Okay, so a goal of many graduate students was a PhD. That was my goal. I didn't achieve it. Oh well. Actor Pascal. Oh God. Paolo Pascal is in my mind. Paolo Pasco is in my mind with crosswords. Pedro Pascal is the actor. Paolo Pasco is the wonder of puzzle games now. It was so prolific already in his young career. Flicked the residue off of as a cigarette. Ashed. Is that right? I've never heard of that. A French exit could be adieu for goodbye. Wedding something? Let's see. It's said to encircle the vein of love. Is that the red wedding ring? Interesting. Did not know that. Mess up is to err and to be human. Common type of error in a calculation. A sign error, maybe? Adler, who outwitted Holmes. Sherlock Holmes. Irene Adler, maybe? Who's Irene Adler? Who's Irene Adler? Wait a minute. Who is Irene Adler? Is that a person? Am I just imagining things? It is a fictional character created by Sir Arthur Conan Arthur Doyle. Irene Adler. This is negation, that little, right angle thing. So sometimes used to do negate in logical, propositional logic, symbolic logic, whatever you want to call it. Horse rider's strap is a rein, and org offering roadside assistance is AAA. Who is this? Deanna? De-icer? De-ice? Wait a minute. Wait. This has to be de-icer. What am I doing wrong? Oh, maybe it's not AAA. Maybe it's a Canadian one. Maybe that's the hint for the Canadian. Maybe it's the CAA, the Canadian Automobile. No, Canadian something. CEA. Prestigious mathematics journal, informally, is the... Oh, this is going to be difficult because it's not familiar with the Canadian journals, I think. I do know the... Wait, the American one. American mathematics and stuff. Oh, I forget all of them. Oh my gosh. The AMS... There's that one, right? And then there's, oh gosh, the MAA. Is that the other one? That's more of the educators one, though, right? The MAA and the I gotta refresh my memory. MAA. Oh gosh, mathematics. Really? Come on. Am I getting that wrong? Maybe I am. I don't know. Let me see. The AMS is the American Mathematical Society, you know. Society? Is that what it is? American Mathematical Society. I know that one. And hopefully there's one that shows a different one. One of 4 points of the Joint Policy Board for Mathematics. Oh boy, I gotta put some constraints on that that little pop up there. Staple in market research. Don't know. Small bite is a nib, a nibble, a nibble, a dip. Oh boy, don't know. Canberra's country. That's Australia. Okay, okay, we can get this. It may be guilty, a guilty plea. Explode is to blow up. Explodes, and then EP. EPs are musics that are longer than singles but shorter than albums. EPs. Certain trigonometric function that's a cosecant. Wait. A focus group. So then it's a nip for that. So we have a group, a ring. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I know what this is. It's going to be a field. And then is this going to be a monad or something like that? Or, oh, wait, what was the other ones? Group rings. Space? A vector space, maybe? To the stars is Ad Astra, Ed Asner. Called could be rang. And the question relentlessly is to, don't know. Starting with GR? Supply at a 37 down shop. Was 37 time down. Chat time offering? Chat time offering? Tea, maybe? Coffee? Don't know. Fruit peel could be the rind? And a certain multilinear alternating function for short. Multilinear alternating function. And a very particular one. Oh gosh, like a step function or something? Alternating function. Multilinear though. Multiple you know, axes and stuff. Hallowed be thy name, youngster. Don't know. Word be with Bible, asteroid, or green. The belt. Right. Okay. Is this annals? Annals? For better or worse. Okay. A boy is a youngster. Okay. Probably need to gender that clue. That's about it. So the annals? The prestigious mathematical? Okay. I'm not familiar with it. Question. Oh, grind or gri. Why can't I remember this? Grill. Of course. Okay. Domain where the circled letters can be found is going to be algebra. That's or as in to differentiate it from your run-of-the-mill algebra in just the you just use all of the results of algebra and the rules and stuff such in your high school courses. This is abstract algebra is usually what they quality, what do you want to say? The adjective that they use to differentiate it from high school algebra. Rainbow fish is a trout. Okay, and then they also sometimes call it college algebra. Blank one's own horn. Toot one's own horn, and then DET. A determinator. Or is that the determinant? Is that a multilinear alternating function? I guess so. What makes it the alternating part, though? Just because you, like, switch the sign on the, gosh, I forget. On each row or something. Cha time offering. I don't know what this is. Toot one's own horn. What if? Consider this scenario. Great book series from Randall Munroe as well, the cartoonist for XKCD. And carbohydrate suffix. Oh, God, I don't know these. Bird that can rotate its head 270 degrees. That's got to be an owl. And these are straws? Straws at the boba. Cha time offering. Okay, so... And sheaf origin. Is it a wheat field? Separate the sheaf from the... is that right? I don't know. Stat that can be used to measure, words per minute typing. Wheat, Eddie Murphy is the... Oh, wait. Can I remember this? Not a module, right? Is it a module? I don't know. Hooks are the parts of the songs. I think I need one more letter here. Why can't I remember that? Spherical pink Nintendo character is Kirby. And intuition is sense. Okay. Potato spot is an I. LBs. Is it a module? What was a module again? Like a ring with certain properties, isn't it? Oh no, it's a generalization of vector spaces. Right. Okay. That doesn't help that much for me, at least. Let's see. Intrinsic, like certain functions in a programming language would be built in, or, standard library things for, like, if you're talking about Python. Textures, whatever. I don't know. Whatevs. Set represented by Z for Zahlen. The integers is usually what that is. Data type consisting of a series of characters. A string? Maybe STR for short? Textures, whatever? I don't know, man. Oh, American Gun Lobby, or get rid of NRA. I don't like to see NRA in crosswords anymore. Tool part used to bore, unless it's referring to, like, the former, like when they finally fucking go defunct, then that'll be great. Then we can start using the NRA and saying, former gun lobbying organization in the United States. Tool part used to bore holes. Drill bits. Taylor. Coffee crisp is a what now? Whatever. IDK, is that what that means? Oh, I don't care. IDC, I don't care. Yeah. Candy bar, is that what that is? A coffee crisp is a candy bar? Coffee crisp candy? Candy bar? Chocolate bar made in Canada, and there's also CoffeeScript, which is a JavaScript programming language. Coastal feature, whose name originates from the Spanish for river, is Ria. Yeah. Okay, so this has to be ugly. Aptly found in the letters of unsightly, and Lucy Liu of Charlie's Angels. Oh gosh, let's see. Summon and collect. Let's try to get 41 down. I still don't know that one. Summon. Call, maybe? Call. NASA program that put a man on the moon. That was Apollo, though. Summon. Symbol for the multiplicative identity. That's just a dot, though, isn't it? Or, oh no, the multiplicative identity is 1. That's the symbol, of course. Multiplicative identity. Let's see if that has a Wikipedia article. Yeah, there we go. In a specific algebraic structure. We still have the determinant, and that's how you type the determinant in LaTeX. And so if you want to know how to render those pretty looking mathematics, you can do that in LaTeX, and also on if you have a website that has MathJax enabled, you can render that as well. Set free, leash, unleash. Mary Kate and Ashley Olson. Prehistoric period seeing advancements in metallurgy. The Iron Age. Iron Age. Okay, so is this a linear module? Linear module? No. Lunar module was the Apollo spacecraft used in certain Apollo missions. And Lin-Manuel, not Lin Automatic Miranda, Lin-Manuel Miranda. FB, so let go, and then agents are FBI operatives, and then page is the summon. And here we go. Hopefully this is the last one, is to amass, and then OSE is the carbohydrate suffix. And that is a very fun math puzzle. A math-themed crossword. Loved this one. What a great one. And then he snuck in sheaf. Snuck in the word sheaf. So a sheaf is like some kind of thing with vector spaces. Yeah. A topological space. Yeah. Or a sheaf of modules. Either way. Looks like that determinant Wikipedia article completely, cannibalized my entire solve here. So that's unfortunate. Did want to pop a couple more articles up to see those, but that's okay. That is fine. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this stuff, please do check me out at the Linktree. That's linktr.ee/kevdub. And you can find me on Twitch. You can find supporting me at the Patreon, or I prefer the Ko-fi. You can buy me a coffee and just be done with it for just be like, I only want to give this guy a couple bucks. That's fine. Yeah, just give him $3, give him $5, give me $2. I don't care. Any little bit helps, including sharing this video, liking this video, and just watching the channel. That helps to get this kind of content into the eyeballs of the people that would like to see it. And then that would help me grow and get a bigger audience. And so that helps enormously. So thank you so much for joining me here for this solve. I am hoping that we get to see a sequel to this one and see a math-themed crossword 2 from Kevin Santos. But until that time, we're going to have to say goodbye. So ta-ta for now. Enjoy